How to play Monopoly Go. So these are just some of the basic features of this game, Monopoly Go. So let's start with roll multipliers. Roll multipliers allow you to roll extra dice each time you press the Go button, boosting the benefits you receive in proportion. Tap the tiny button next to and to the right of the Go button to turn on roll multipliers. The greater your reserve of dice rolls, the greater the potential multiplier. Number two, Monopoly Go board tiles. Number one, we have here property tiles, common tiles that can be used to place houses that you earn through constructing and improving landmarks. If you land on a property tile that is occupied by a rent target while the game is still running, you will receive a rent based on the number of houses on the tile. Next we have here is railroad tiles. On each side of the board, there are two railroad tiles. Landing on certain tiles will give you the chance to engage in mini games like bank heist or shutdown. Next is what we call corner special tiles. These are go tile, jail visitors tile, free parking tile, go to jail tile. Next we have is luxury tax tile. The Monopoly board's fourth side has this tile. When you land on this tile, the bank will demand a luxury tax from you. Next, we have chance tiles. These are three pink, blue, and orange. Chance tiles on the board in Monopoly chance tiles are places where cards are drawn. Next is community chess tiles. Three community chess tiles or Monopoly card drawing spots are present on the board. Cards from the community chest are more likely to provide you money. And then next we have here is utilities tiles. There are additional surprises to be found on the board in Monopoly Go game, which are utilities tiles. The electric company and the water works are two examples. About the Monopoly Go board and board square tiles guide, that is all there is to say. Last is we have here sticker albums or albums and stickers. Continue collecting sticker packs to test your luck in the drawing. Don't forget that you may trade stickers with your friends by joining the Monopoly Go. So I hope you've learned something. These are just basic information. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.